Hi all, I'm Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'll take a quick video of how I clean and service my Bernette Sew and Go machine. was supposed to take it to an authorized service center, but it is too far and I have an urgent project to finish. So I thought I will do it myself and thought I'll take a video also. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or clarification regarding this. So let me show you that. So screwdriver, brush, so an extra brush, there's another brush which came with the machine, a syringe and oil. That's what we are going to use to clean this. So using this screwdriver we are going to remove the needle plate. This screwdriver is the best for this purpose because of this small gap between the needle plate and the machine. I'm removing the needle plate here. So yeah, I just took it out, and now you can see that the place under the needle plate is have too much lint. I'll have to give a thorough cleaning, and this much lint is because I was sewing with some flannel fabric. You can see the red color of the flannel, so flannel tends to produce more lint. That's what I figured out. So I'm using this kind of long brush to clean out the area. This I got independently from a online shop in Bangalore. I can link that if you want in the description. So I'm going to give it a thorough cleaning. There's quite a bit of lint. There are a lot of lint hidden in these crevices of this needle plate and bobbin case, etc. I'm using the quilting guide thing which comes with the machine, so that can reach and remove the lint in between. It's not very successful at this part. Quite a bit of lint stuck in these parts, and yeah, I've managed to remove some of it, but I think I need to do a little more cleaning. So I'll turn the machines to the side like this, and then we'll take off all the screws and remove it like this. Now we can see two screws which are exposed. We'll open that. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver to open these two. And this can be slide outside like this. Yeah. So now we can see a lot of parts which has considerable amount of lint here also, and there are parts with grease. So when you're cleaning, you should be a little bit careful how you clean it, because you don't want these lints going and getting stuck in those greases. So just be a little careful at that point, but use a brush and clean out all those areas. I had considerable lint at these parts also, so I'm using brush and everything to clean it. So now we will oil that. This is the hack that I found very useful. I'll use a big syringe to take the oil. This is a machine oil, be careful about it. And I took some part, and then I will apply to all the places where two metal pieces are in contact. So you can turn your wheel also to figure out which are moving parts. So I have put oil on all these parts like this. I skipped all the parts where there are visible grease there. I didn't want to meddle with those parts. Rest of it, wherever I could reach, wherever I thought there will be some kind of contact between two metal parts and are moving, I put oil there like this. You can turn the hand wheel to figure out which all parts are moving. That is easier. So I put a liberal amount of oil. Be sure that it is a sewing machine oil and not any other oil. Then now let's keep it back. These steps are very easy actually, but somehow when I tried doing this, it was not falling into place correctly, but I managed it. I just cleaned it in between. Yeah. So screwing this back. Let's put the machine in the correct position. I'm keeping a cloth there so that if there is any oil spillage, it will not destroy my table. Again, I went back and tried to clean out the rest of the lint if I could find. Cleaning. taking out the lint if there is anything which is there. I'm also using a small brush. There were lint in the feed dog path also, so I'm cleaning those up also. So now it is time to put here, and there's a small hole in the middle of the bobbin case. I put it there, and also here wherever there are moving parts here, I put the hole there. Now let us remove this small cover here. It hides a screw there, so let's open this part up and slowly remove that. Gently remove that case and the top part. So now you can see that there are so many electronics parts and all other parts exposed. We need to oil here also. First we'll do a basic cleaning. There are not much lint here. Now I'm oiling these parts. I'm using the same syringe method. The syringe method is optional, but I found it to be extremely useful to reach difficult to reach places. So that is a very good hack that I can suggest to all of you. Again, I will rotate the hand wheel so that I can figure out which are the parts which are moving and which needs to be oiled. That's what I do. I have close-up pictures or videos of the places where I oil. So what I do is I turn the hand wheel, and wherever there are touching or movement there when I'm sewing, I'll put oil there. I'll put a detailed videos next time. Let's place this cover back. I'm doing a little bit of cleaning on the top. It was a little bit dusty. Once this cover is fixed, this is how should be looking. Like the gap should be like this. And now let's place the cover here. That's the next step to look nice. Let's replace the needle plate and we'll screw it in. This needs to be screwed in tightly. That's what I figured out. Otherwise, there's a chance that the bobbin will move out in its place and can cause problems while we are sewing. So here we are screwing it tightly. Next, we will try to put the bobbin. So we need to check the direction how it is threaded while we are inserting the bobbin. Then there is a cutter here. We'll clean it and just place it. I try to keep the bobbin cover here at this place and then pull this. Let's thread the machine. I'll keep the thread, stopper, and first place. Second, it goes down, take it down, go up, and then it'll go here in this place. Next we will try to thread the needle. Pull down the automatic needle threader and thread the needle, and now you'll just pull out the thread. Insert back the arm and next cut the excess thread, and we'll put the presser foot that we removed before cleaning. Insert the power cord and switch on the machine. Let's just test the machine. So this is a fabric. I'll make the straight stitch as well as zigzag stitch to test the machine. Stop. Next we will do the zigzag. I'll increase the width to 7 and let's stitch it. Increase the speed and then now stop. The stitches have come out well, even the zigzag. So you can see here. I think that's all. Thanks for watching.